Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
Man, I hate this car. As it sits right now, it drives like shit, it sounds like shit, and it makes me feel like shit driving it. So today, we're gonna change that, hopefully. So I picked up a set of max speeding rod coilovers from Amazon, and of course they came damaged. What else do I expect? But that should at least give us a bit better of a ride compared to my blown out cut spring shocks that wanted to die 10 years ago. I got so excited to have a car that rode all right. I speed ran the install on the coilovers last night. Just threw them in. They worked great in the front. In the back, I had to modify the strut tower holes a little bit, just oblonged them a little bit so that they'd fit in there. But they're on, and today we got to fix the fitment. And how could I forget? We got to fix that horrible sounding muffler. It sounds like shit. Like VQ mixed with a baby shitting for the first time. That's what this thing sounds like. So I got a couple mufflers laying around in the scrap muffler pile, and we're gonna swap a different one on there, see if we can get it to sound a little bit better. So let's get started. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is drop the coilovers in the back, 1.5 inches, so I can get my nice tucked fitment again and go from there. One thing I do like about these coilovers is that they're pretty easy to adjust. You can adjust the ride height without having to change your spring dampening, which is nice. Just roll it right up like this, and then spin this up. And it's easy as that. Well, while I got the back jacked up, let's get rid of this muffler. Aha! We got an old muffler. Seems to actually be in decent shape. And it's got some hangers on the end here that I might be able to use. So let's just see kind of how this is gonna look. Well, we got her just sitting on there for a second. I'm going to start it up, and we'll see what it sounds like. Oh, hell no. That one sounds so much worse. So much worse. And that's kind of the only muffler I have. I have a Cat that I ripped off of the Ram 50. Tried it on there, but it doesn't sound any better. It sounds just as bad. So I'm kind of SOL. I guess I'm going to have to buy a muffler from somewhere, come back and weld it on. So for now, I guess we're going straight piped, because I can't really put this one back on because I cut it in a spot that screws me up from doing that. Sorry, neighbors. But let's put this bad boy back on the ground, see if she's any lower. Should be. Doesn't really look like it, does it? Damn it. Wow. That's as much as I can do today, because I forgot my grinder, and if I want to go any lower, I need to grind out the hubs a little bit. Man, you know, this video is just not going the way I wanted it to. But let's do an oil change and some spark plugs quick. get that over with, and get out of here. Well, it's a new day and we're back in here with the lame neon. I was doing some research last night and I think I need like a resonator, glass pack, whatever you want to call it, to fix my droning gross noises that are coming from this thing. So I went out and I bought this resonator for fairly cheap and then this muffler for more than I'd like to admit. But we're gonna try throwing these on and seeing if, hopefully, fingers crossed, I actually get a decent sounding car. It's something that I'm not embarrassed to drive around with. So let's get on that. All right, well, we got the resonator in there. And just for shits and giggles, before we put this muffler on, I'm gonna start it up and see what it sounds like. Oh, hell yeah. That's so much better. Man, that sounds good. I don't know if I'm even gonna need this muffler. But let's give it a shot, see what it sounds like with the muffler on, and go from there. Ay, ay, ay. It actually sounds worse with the muffler on. Damn it. Damn it. That sucks. But, oh well, I guess we're rocking no muffler. Might give this a quick test drive. See how we feel. Go from there. Well, I went and I fully welded it all underneath, so she's set. She's good to go. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put the mic out here and we're gonna see if we can get a little, there we go, exhaust clip. Let's go. Well, I'm happy with that. Sounds a lot better now. Rides a lot better now. Still looks pretty trashy, but I need to wash it. Let's look from the back. The tip looks a little whack because it's not right in the right spot, but oh well, who cares? Sounds way better. Actually sounds kind of mean. Tree. But yeah, we got it. Well, I think this is going to be the end of today's video. I got to push the Ram 50 back into the shop. So that's going to be fun. But thanks for watching. Ooh, you're not supposed to see that. Leaked. See you in the next one.